Consumer Reports has just revealed a major update that has shaken the automotive industry. They have officially withdrawn their recommendation from 7 well-known vehicle models all at once. This isn't based on rumors or opinions. It's based on real-world data from over 380,000 actual vehicle owners. Real problems, real failures, and real repair headaches. When the same serious issues appear again and again across thousands of vehicles, Consumer Reports removes those models from its trusted list. Today, we're counting down the vehicles that have crossed the line from concerning to seriously unreliable. And the SUV at number 4? That one will genuinely surprise you. Watch till the end, because today we're exposing the reality behind these vehicles. If you value honest car advice, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 is an interesting case. It's been on the market since 2017, yet many of its core issues remain unresolved even after years. Imagine spending over $50,000 on a luxury SUV and dealing with water leaks inside the cabin during rain. Yes, owners have reported poor sunroof sealing that allows water to enter the interior. On top of that, transmission concerns and electrical problems have also been reported. For a vehicle marketed as luxury, this level of inconsistency raises serious questions. 6. Genesis GV80. Genesis introduced the GV80 to compete with brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz. However, owner feedback tells a different story. Reports include differential issues, fuel pump failures, and high fuel consumption from the 3.5-liter engine. One of the most frequently mentioned concerns, however, is battery reliability. Several owners report repeated battery replacements within short ownership periods. These issues have significantly impacted its long-term reliability ratings. 5. Chevrolet Equinox. The redesigned Chevrolet Equinox arrived with a fresh platform and modern styling. But despite the updates, Consumer Reports placed it near the bottom of its reliability rankings. Owners reported infotainment system failures, including sudden screen blackouts during highway driving, a serious safety concern. For many buyers, this turns everyday driving into an unnecessary risk. 4. GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain follows a similar pattern. Production began in late 2024, and early reports already highlight transmission-related problems, fluid leaks, and frequent software glitches. Due to the volume and severity of complaints, Consumer Reports acted quickly and withdrew its recommendation. 3. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The Mercedes-Benz name is often associated with premium engineering and refinement. However, recent owner reports suggest otherwise. Issues include transmission irregularities, brake system concerns, and premature component failures. Considering its price, often exceeding $90,000, these problems have disappointed many longtime fans of the brand. 2. Buick Enclave. The Buick Enclave has faced a surprising number of quality control concerns. In some reported cases, vehicles left the factory with missing or incomplete components, raising serious questions about production oversight. Additionally, owners reported infotainment screen failures that occurred during driving, impacting usability and safety. 1. Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. The Sonata Hybrid delivers excellent fuel efficiency, but reliability issues have overshadowed its strengths. Owners reported hybrid system warnings, battery-related concerns, and transmission performance issues over time. As a result, its overall reliability rating dropped significantly. These are the 7 vehicles that Consumer Reports no longer recommends, based on extensive owner data. If you want to protect your hard-earned money, these are models worth approaching with caution. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced reliability issues with a vehicle? Share your experience in the comments. Your insight could help someone make a smarter decision. If you value honest and data-driven car content, like this video and subscribe to the channel.